Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making ricotta lemon pasta. And for that we are going to need a container of ricotta cheese, the pasta of your choice, of course you can use any kind, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, about 5 or 6 pieces of basil, about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and a cup of pecorino romano cheese. Of course, if you can't find that kind of cheese, you could always use parmesan. Well, this should be interesting. So, yeah, you know the drill. Let's go. And our first step, of course, is to be getting our pasta cooking. That will cook away for the next 12 minutes or whatever the packaging says for your pasta to do. Once your pasta's cooked all the way, we're going to transfer all of this to a bigger pot. And for that, I'm going to add in the ricotta cheese that I've already dumped in and mixed, our lemon juice, and our basil and spices. We're going to thoroughly mix that together again, and I'll be back. And last but not least, we will add in our zest from our lemon and our bowl of our pecorino cheese, which will once again be thoroughly melted and stirred in. Alright, we've dished up some of our pasta, and now it is time to try it out. I was sort of worried about the cheese flavor in this. I know the pecorino gave it a nice woodsy flavor almost. But it seemed like a lot of ricotta, but I have to say it pairs nicely with the lemon because it makes it a light flavor instead of a heavy sour lemon flavor. And in general, I like lemon anyway. Honestly, this is a nice light 5-ingredient little treat. And I'm glad I finally made it. So if you have any thoughts, like what you saw, thought it sounded horrible, thought it sounded great, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next